Hi guys, right here on the screen is a free $1,000 Profem account, and I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get this free $1,000 Profem account. All you have to do is to watch this video to the very end, and also in the middle of this video I'll be explaining the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw. Yes, you heard me right. You can be able to withdraw from this free Profem account. And before I start, let me quickly show you the latest no deposit bonuses that are actually available, and there are withdrawal proof. In fact, people are still withdrawing currently. Let me show you briefly. If you are interested in one of these no deposit bonuses, make sure you click on the link in the description of this video or in the comment section. Click on the link, mostly in the description of this video. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel, and in my Telegram channel, not only will you have access to a lot of free funded accounts, you will also have direct access to me if you want to talk to me. Okay, so now that you've used the link in the description, make sure you subscribe to my Telegram channel. Okay, so these are the new latest no deposit bonuses that are available. Let me show you. So right here in my channel is a free $40 no deposit bonus, as you can see right here on the screen, and this is the broker link. So once you've gotten to an interface like this, just click on this broker. Just click on this broker. Okay, as you can see, this is the broker right here. Just click on the broker, and once you click on the broker, you'll be taken to the interface where you'll be getting it. And if you don't know how to get it, I have made a video specifically for you. Click on this link and you watch how to get it. So this is the, let me show you the withdrawal proof I got yesterday from it. I got a withdrawal proof from it yesterday. A lot of people are already getting it. In fact, about 4 people yesterday got it. So this is the person who actually withdrew from the account. This is it. This is the name of the account, and this is the withdrawal proof. This is it. Okay, so now moving to the next one, there is another free $15 no deposit bonus. Even though that one is not available, someone was fortunate enough to withdraw $940 yesterday. And if you are in Nigeria, you know what that means in naira. Okay, so let me show you briefly. So this is the withdrawal proof right here on the screen. As you can see, he withdrew directly into his Binance. This is it, proof live. All right, and also there is a free $50 no deposit bonus. Someone got it yesterday and sent it to me. This is it. It is a live account, and you can also be able to withdraw for it. So I have mentioned about three latest no deposit bonuses that are available that you can actually get and start withdrawing from, and most of them, the 2 out of them have withdrawal proof already. 2 out of them, and the remaining $15, it's not actually active right now, but for those of you who have gotten it already, you can actually make withdraw from it. All right, so now that I have explained all of this, let me show you how you can get this free $1,000 Profem account in this video today. And I will be starting with the terms and conditions you have to be in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Mind you, you have to pay attention when I'm showing you the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to claim it, because without the terms and conditions, you can't be able to withdraw from the profit. Okay, so let's add on to the terms and condition to be able to withdraw. So right here on the screen is the terms and condition for the free $1,000 Profem account that I'm going to be showing you how to get in this video. So let's read it carefully. Guys, do not fast forward this video, because if you missed a particular part, you can't be able to withdraw at all. All right, let's read it. Due to the potential risk involved in funded accounts, it is important to read and comprehend all rules that apply to a trader's activity before beginning to participate in the funded account. So the first thing you have to do before you get this free $1,000 Profem account is that you pay attention and listen to the terms and conditions very carefully. Some important rules include, but are not limited to, the first important things you have to notice that you must verify your identity before you get this free $1,000 account. You must verify your identity. Now, to verify your identity and claim this free $1,000 Profem account, it's quite simple, and you can do it within some minutes. All right, the second terms and condition is you may only have one account per individual. Don't try to create multiple accounts, because once you verify your ID, everything about you has already been known, so you can try to dupe them. All right, so the second terms and condition is all trading must comply with the firm risk management guideline. There are some guidelines that you must follow, and I'm going to be showing you right here in the middle of this video. So your ability to withdraw profit will be governed by this firm payout policy. So the major terms and condition is the policy of this $1,000, which I will be explaining in the terms and this in the middle of this video. So let's proceed. If you violate one or more of the trading of this trading rule set, you may be banned from the account. So these are the disadvantages of not obeying the terms and condition. So this is it. Now let's talk about the account benefit. Traders can benefit from numerous advantage when trader trade with a free account. So the number one benefit is that you don't have to deposit and you'll be able to withdraw. The number two is that real life condition. You will be able to withdraw by following some certain terms and condition. So this one, let's talk about the final thought. All right, let's talk about the final thought, because the final thought is one of the most important things you have to know, guys. I know that you feel like this thing is not important, but if you miss out on it, you are not going to be able to withdraw. Okay, the instant free funded account is Vanta Trading. This is the name of the platform. So if you guys are unable to use the link in the description of this video to go to the interface where you're going to be getting it, all you have to do is to search for this on your Chrome search bar. Search for it and click on Fanta Trading. But if you need one-on-one guideline, make sure you use the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel. I will be sending the terms and conditions there so that you guys can be able to read it. So for free $1,000 instantly, a fantastic way for traders looking for access funded to obtain access without having to pay for it upfront. So you don't have to pay any money upfront. All you have to do is to register and complete your KYC verification. It is simple. Register and complete your KYC verification. Now, why am I making this video? I'm going to be showing you how you can actually register the right way and verify the right way, because some people have been doing it the wrong way and it has been causing their account to be terminated. Okay, and fulfill the requirement of this platform to obtain your free funded account and start trading immediately. So now let me show you. So once you've used the link in the description of my video and also in the comment section, once you've clicked on the link, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel, and immediately you are taken to my Telegram channel, you will see the link to the link to this website attached to the free $1,000 thumbnail. So once you click on it, this is where you'll be taken to. You'll be taken to an interface like this where you have to sign up and start where you have to sign up, verify your KYC and start trading. So once you've got into an interface like this, click on get started. So once you've clicked on get started, you'll be taken to an interface like this. All you have to do is to register with your current and active email address, choose your password, confirm your password. Make sure that the password you enter is very strong, 100% strong, at least 8 character and very strong meta above. Okay, so this is it right here. Make sure that your password fulfills this requirement. All right, so once you're done with that, just click on continue. Let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So immediately you are done with the first step, you are going to be taken to an interface like this whereby you have to enter your verification code, which has been sent to your email account. All right, it has been sent to your email account. So the next thing you have to do is to go to your email account, get the code, input it here and click on verify. Follow me as I do mine. So right here is the code right here in my email account. As you can see, I'll be copying the code right here. You to copy the code, and the first time I tried this, the code was not sent to my email address. I tried it a lot of times. All you just have to do is to be patient. If it does not work for you for the first time, all right, you have to come back maybe the next day or the next hour, right? So now that you've copied the code, just come to this interface and paste the code right here. So it can be pasted directly. So let me just cram it on my head. 477.91. 477.91. So once you're done, just click on verify, and as you can see, it has been verified. So the next thing you have to do is to get your ID and take a photo of your ID and selfie. So let's click on continue. Okay, as you can see, expressly request access to the challenge and acknowledge that once challenge is open, I lose a Santori right to withdraw or receive fund. This one is not important, so just why are they bringing it? So just click on start verification, and once you click on it, This is where you'll be taken to. I don't want you guys to miss out on any particular area. Okay, I don't want you guys to miss out on any particular area. So watch carefully. All right. So when I was done, this is what they showed for me. This is it right here. But what I want you to pay attention to is this one right here. This one below. Free tier limit reached. Will follow up with you via email when a slot is open up. As you can see, which means I have already tried a lot of times. I've gotten my account already. I've gotten mine. So because I have already tried a lot of times, they said it is no longer available for me. That when a new slot is open, it will be open for me and they will send it to me via email. So you are going to be getting yours. And for those of you who have watched my video, you will either trade it on your MT5 trader platform or trade it on this platform. Now the requirement you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw, these are the requirements. The performance target is 10%. The drawdown limit is 5%. The trading period is unlimited. Account scaling, none. Right, so this is it right here in this on the screen. Thank you guys for watching. If there is anything you need in getting this free $1,000 profit account that I haven't mentioned yet in this video, make sure you tell me in the comment section and I will respond to you happily. And if you are not able to get this free $1,000 profit account, but you are interested in getting another account, just DM me or drop it in the comment section that I am interested and all of that. I love you guys. There is nothing you can do about it. Have a wonderful, great day.